Welcome to SBS Education. Topic of today is basic life support. Step 1. Safety. Make sure you, the unresponsive victim, and any bystanders are safe. Step 2. Response. Check the unresponsive victim for a response. You can shake the shoulder and ask, "Are you alright?" If they are responsive, reassess regularly. If not, proceed to step 3.
Are you alright? Are you alright?
Step 3. Airway. Airway is one of the 5 elements of the ABCDE. Turn the victim onto their back and place your hand on their forehead and gently tilt their head back. With your fingertips under the point of the victim's chin mandibula, lift the chin to open the airway. Breathing is the second element of the ABCDE principle. You should look, listen, and feel for normal breathing for maximum 10 seconds. If you have any doubt whether breathing is normal, act as if they are not breathing normally and prepare to start CPR. Step 5. Call an ambulance. Ask someone around to call if possible. Stay with the victim when making the call if possible. Never leave the victim alone.
Call 112.
Step 6. Send someone else for AED. AED stands for Automatic External Defibrillator. Send someone to get an AED if available. If you are on your own, do not leave the victim and start CPR as soon as possible. Step 7. 30 chest compressions. You should perform the 30 chest compressions at a rate of 100-120 beats per minute. This is the most important step of adult basic life support.
Responsive and not breathing victim. I start CPR. Get me an AED.
Hello, I'm with an unresponsive person. He's not breathing. We started CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
Step number 8. 2 rescue breaths. After 30 compressions, open the airway again using head tilt and chin lift and give 2 rescue breaths. After the 2 rescue breaths, continue with chest compressions and rescue breaths in a ratio of 30-2. If you are untrained or unable to do rescue breaths, give chest compression, only CPR, for example, continuous compressions at a rate of at least 100-120 beats per minute. Step 9. Use AED if available. Switch on the AED. Ensure that nobody is touching the victim while the AED is analyzing the rhythm. If a shock is indicated, deliver the shock. Push shock button as directed. Immediately restart CPR at a ratio of 30-2. If no shock is indicated, continue CPR.
Apply pad to patient's bare chest. Plug in pad connector next to flashing light. Apply pad
stand clear.
Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Everybody stand clear.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button.
Shock.
Step 10. Recovery position. If you are certain the victim is breathing normally but is still unresponsive, place in the recovery position. Be prepared to restart CPR immediately if the victim deteriorates or stops breathing normally. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more upcoming videos.